know what that one is. It's not appearing on Flight Radar yet. It's not that funny looking aircraft called AWACS or something, is it? Oh jeez. I think it is. I think it might be the AWACS because it's got that funny looking bit on top. We'll see when it turns if it is the AWACS. Yep. It is the AWACS. Yeah, it's the AWACS. It's being sent up to, I suppose, monitor, I guess. It's a funny looking AWACS. Oh well, I've seen it flying overhead before, but have never seen it take off, so this is the first time for me to see the AWACS take off. So, yeah. Well, this is different. Everything's happening at Williamtown at the moment. I mean, it is a heavy beast, the AWACS. So we shall see how the AWACS takes off. It reminds me a bit of a camel, you know, with that big hump. So there we go, there's the AWACS about to depart. We'll see how it is. Okay, I've got to remember that it's going. There he goes. Ooh, quiet. There it is. There's the AWACS as it takes off.